What time is it? It's science time!
Here's a challenge, Mr. C. You have 2 containers filled with rice. Can you lift each bottle using only a skewer stick? Is it possible? Let's find out.
All right, so I've got 2 containers here that both have rice in them. And the question is can I take a skewer stick and lift up this container of rice? Is it even possible? Let's give it a try. Wait a minute. I thought that was gonna work. Let's try this one. What? It works. And you might be saying to yourself, why did it work? And the answer is friction! F-R-I-C-T-I-O-N, friction! Friction allows us to lift up this container of rice simply with a skewer stick. What I did was I packed this down really well before I filled this one up so you didn't see me. This one actually has more rice in it. And what I did is I literally compacted the rice over and over and over so that there weren't nearly as many gaps. This one is really difficult to pull out. This one pulls out super easy. I know what you're thinking. What would happen if we did it with this 2-liter bottle? Will it actually work? That's a lot more rice. So I have a little bigger of a stick to try. All right, here we go. I'm nervous. Here we go. Science! It worked. It's working. That's the power of friction. Have some fun at your house. Use this science to trick a friend or a family member. And always remember, it's about friction. F-R-I-C-T-I-O-N, friction. Thanks for being part of our crew today and checking out this short clip from DIY Science Time. If you like this clip and you want to see more exciting science, check out the full versions right here on the channel. Be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more exciting DIY Science Time.